Welcome back to Spy Garage.
As a creative giant in the custom overlanding and luxury mobile living space, the 2025 Ginaf Exclusive Truck Home is aptly summed up by its motto: built like a tank, lives like a mansion, serving an ultra-exclusive clientele that demands unwavering capabilities and uncompromising luxury in the most demanding situations. This exceptional vehicle would be the pinnacle of unwavering robustness and unmatched residential magnificence. Fundamentally, the phrase "built like a tank" describes the strong base that a specially designed Ginaf chassis provides. An excellent base for extreme off-road RVs is provided by Ginaf, which is well known for producing heavy-duty, multi-axle, and frequently all-wheel drive trucks intended for tough industrial and military applications. With a heavily reinforced steel frame, military-grade suspension systems with enormous wheel travel, and an advanced drive system that may be hydrostatic, the 2025 Ginaf Exclusive Truck Home would take advantage of this innate durability to provide traction and maneuverability over any kind of terrain. Highly resilient, insulated composites or even armored panels would be used to form the living unit's exterior shell. These materials would be used not just to regulate the environment but also to provide the best defense against impacts, weather, and, if necessary, ballistic threats. It would have a highly functional yet finely detailed design that exudes an air of unbreakable elegance. The slogan "Lives like a mansion" becomes incredibly clear as we move from its sturdy facade to its interior. The living area in the Ginaf Exclusive Truck Home would be a specially designed haven that could compete with the most opulent fixed homes. Only the best materials would be used, and every inch would be painstakingly planned and constructed. Anticipate high-tech composites or natural stone counters, custom-fabricated cabinets with soft-close mechanisms, and gorgeous, hand-polished hardwood flooring. Premium, long-lasting leathers or custom textiles that provide comfort and robustness would make up the upholstery. A lavish master bedroom with a king-sized bed and lots of storage. A gourmet kitchen with full-sized, professional-grade appliances. A spa-like ensuite bathroom with a large shower or even a custom jacuzzi. And a grand salon with plenty of seating are just a few examples of the highly customizable layout. There would be complete and undetectable technological integration. Everything from dynamic LED lighting and multi-zone climate management to cutting-edge entertainment systems with retractable screens and audiophile caliber sound would be managed by a complex smart home automation system. With redundant satellite internet, encrypted Wi-Fi networks, and cutting-edge communication technologies guaranteeing worldwide coverage, connectivity would be crucial. With massive fresh and gray water tanks, sophisticated water purification systems, which can produce drinkable water from nearly any source, and a strong, multi-redundant power system that includes large solar arrays, silent diesel generators, and high-capacity lithium batteries. The tank-like self-sufficiency would also extend to its utilities, enabling weeks or even months of off-grid living without the need for outside resupply. More than simply a car, the 2025 Ginaf Exclusive Truck Home would be a mobile palace of luxury, built for billionaires who want to travel through the most difficult and isolated places on Earth without sacrificing comfort, security, or opulent living. It would be an extremely exclusive coach-built wonder that would be a testimony to the pinnacle of custom luxury and engineering prowess.